I just want to use my own since I'm holding one. Everybody knows why they're here, so I'm not going to repeat any of that stuff. We've done some fantastic campaigning. A bit louder. We've done some fantastic campaigning for 2 years, and what they are calculating is that they close this A&E, they close the Hammersmith A&E, they do what they're going to do at Ealing and at Charing Cross, and that we will go away. Well, we're not going to go away. Actually, we are getting massive support from the public. I'd really like to thank all the people who helped build up this protest, because just to get this number of people here in the middle of a working day, is quite an achievement, and I'd like to thank Raj for some of the work that he's done on the internet, Arthur, who's done some of the posters that we've got down there, so as people drive their cars past, they see that something is going on, and all the people who've been involved in our campaign. And I'd also like to thank some of the Labour politicians who've been raising this issue, and yes, we are going to carry on. We're also going to carry on. I very much hope there's a Labour government elected, or we'll be in big trouble, but I have to say we're going to carry on campaigning, whichever government's in power, because this NHS that we've got was only set up through people power. It's only set up through people making their noises felt. There are pressures on any government to find money for other things. There's pressures on government to find billions of pounds to bomb people on the other side of the Mediterranean. And we need to make a stronger pressure from working people that we need our health service. That's what we pay our taxes for. First and foremost, we pay for the basics, we pay for education, we pay for health and all the rest. So this protest was called by the Ealing TUC Hands Off Our NHS campaign. We're hoping to refound it and merge with some of the other excellent campaigners in Ealing soon. But I hope that people will get involved in one of the local campaigns in Brent, in Ealing, in Hammersmith and Fulham. Get involved with one of the campaigns, and we need to make sure that those protests keep on snowballing. We're starting to get quite a big national profile now, and I can see people here who've contributed to that, including Aisha, I'm sure will want to say some words in a couple of minutes, and including Eve, the secretary of the Ealing campaign, who's going to say something now, who keeps talking about People's March for Jobs, when it in fact is the People's March for the NHS.
Oh yeah, I do. I say People's March for Jobs.
We got Brent Councillor